Hello YouTube, welcome to a film about my first ever built Lego MOC train. This is a train I designed myself. It's not representing a real train, but it looks kind of like a German DB212, also diesel trains, but it's not representing that in any way, but the shape is a little bit similar. I built a train with power functions because those are the only trains I can run. I don't have 9 volts, and now I know why the most of the MOC builders use 9 volt trains, because then you only have to have room for the engine, and this is the engine. With power functions you also have to have the receiver, which is in this end, and the battery box, which takes up all this space. With 9 volts you have more freedom of building. I want to make a smaller one in the future, and I will see then how small a power function MOC can be, but for now this is what I built. It's built with most of the pieces of the Lego 7939, the yellow cargo train. I had 2 of those, and I wanted to make a better one, a different one. I didn't want to have 2 of the same trains in my layout. It's a train with light functionality. I bought the lights from lego.com online, about 8 or 9 euros. Not very expensive, and lights just make a train cool, especially when it's a little bit dark. This is the back. I try to break up the yellow sides with some panels, just for some decoration, and also representing that there is the engine is in the back. It still works a little bit the same way like the 7939, because the on button is on top here. And now I'll show you how it runs. Well, that's it. That's the first film about my first MOC I designed. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.